Pabili.
Ano po?
Pabili ng rice.
Wala ako rice.
Wala. Pabili ng candy.
Bawal.
Bawal ang candy. Pabili
Yeah,
ng
because pang-officer yung ng candy.
pabili na lang ng chocolate.
Bawal.
Bawal din ang chocolate?
Yeah, because from the officer din.
How about can I bili an ice cream?
Bawal.
Why?
Because from the police tayo.
Sa pulis lang 'yan.
Yeah.
Okay. What happened if I bili a candy?
Because mamatay ikaw.
Uy, no. How about chocolate?
Bawal.
Bawal din? Can I bili vegetable and fruits?
How about popcorn?
Yeah. Can I bili popcorn?
Yeah.
Okay, can I bili? Pabili ng popcorn.
Okay, Dad.
I bili popcorn.
Ito na.
Ay, here lang. Okay.
Silang ha, because wag mo na ubos.
Okay. Bili lang daddy little lang.